2021 Mercedes G-Wagon. Goes to Immobiliser. We come around to the vehicle now. If we start the vehicle up, if we try to drive any direction, it will shut the vehicle down, or as you will see, it won't go into location. There you go, and it shuts the vehicle down for us. So if we switch it off, we can restart the vehicle. If we enter our demonstration password, which is your plus pedal 4 times, we got our 2 flashes of your gear selector. We can now change to gears. As you can see, fully operational. Nice, it goes to.